the shop at the Bristol Bike Project. The Bristol Bike Project, the main thing that we do is the earner bike scheme, which gets bikes out there into the community to people who couldn't afford them any other way. We give people a bike, lock and light set for £20. We work with a lot of refugees, asylum seekers, and we get people referred to us who are in recovery from drug addiction, alcohol addiction. It helps them get a bit more mobile and get a bit more freedom. We rely entirely on donated bikes. The better quality ones, the ones that are financially viable, we renovate and sell in the shop, and that funds the work that we do in the community workshop. We've been tenants in Hamilton House for a long time. When we were starting out, they gave us 3 months rent-free to get started. I've been working in the shop for about 6 months, but previous to that I was volunteering for 3 years. And I wasn't a professional bike mechanic when I started volunteering here. I was working in prototyping. It was volunteering here that prompted me to change my career and get qualified as a bike mechanic, so it's really quite a big impact on my life. I decided to stay here because of the community, and I met a lot of really great people here, people who I now call friends. So it's the community that sets the bike project apart from other bike shops. We do a lot of community works. That's really nice because you end up meeting people who you wouldn't meet any other way. It sort of blurs the lines between the people who are volunteering and the people who are receiving help.
Now green is completed, so I've worked on them and they're ready to go out.
For the people who come and get bikes from us, it's really great. For them, they get a bike out of it, and they get to come and work in a workshop treated as equals. We run a session which is for adults who experience social isolation and some people with mental health issues, so it's a really good social thing for them. It's about more than just bikes, it's about people, it's about the environment, it's about health.